Experiencing trouble adding cash to your Cash App account? You're not alone. Many users face this issue due to various reasons, including account limits, technical errors, and security restrictions. The most common reason you can't add cash is hitting your account limits. Cash App has different limits based on your verification level. Unverified accounts are limited to just $250 per week, while verified accounts can add up to $7,500 per week. To increase your limits and verify your account, you'll need to provide additional personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Technical errors are another common cause of add cash failures. These can include generic error messages like "something went wrong," specific errors like "unable to add cash at this time," bank connection timeouts, or invalid payment method errors. Account-related issues can also prevent you from adding cash. These include temporary restrictions on your account, enhanced verification requirements, or flags from Cash App's AI-powered fraud detection system that may mistakenly flag legitimate activity. Cash App's enhanced security measures in 2025 include sophisticated anti-money laundering detection that monitors for suspicious patterns and activities to protect users and comply with banking regulations. Understanding these potential roadblocks is the first step to resolving your Cash App add cash issues. Whether it's account limits, technical errors, or security restrictions, identifying the specific problem will help you find the right solution. Now that you understand the common causes of Cash App add cash issues, let's dive into practical troubleshooting solutions. We'll start with immediate fixes you can try right now. First, check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection is essential for Cash App to communicate with your bank and process transactions. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App. Updates often include bug fixes and security improvements that can resolve add cash issues. Sometimes a simple app restart can clear temporary glitches. Close Cash App completely and reopen it to refresh the connection. Finally, verify that your linked payment method is working properly. Check that your bank account or card is active and has sufficient funds available. If the immediate fixes don't resolve your issue, let's move on to more advanced troubleshooting solutions that address deeper technical problems. For Android users, clearing the app's cache and data can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. This process is shown in these step-by-step screenshots. Another effective solution is to relink your payment methods. Remove your bank accounts or cards from Cash App, then add them back fresh. Don't forget to contact your bank directly. Sometimes banks block transactions to Cash App for security reasons, and you'll need to authorize these payments. Finally, complete your identity verification if you haven't already. Verification delays were a significant issue in early 2025, so ensure all your information is accurate and up to date. Security is crucial when dealing with payment apps. Let me show you essential security measures to protect your Cash App account. Two-factor authentication adds an essential security layer. As shown in this setup screen, you can choose between an authentication app or SMS verification. Always monitor your account activity for any suspicious transactions. Regular monitoring helps you catch and report unauthorized activity quickly. If problems persist beyond 24 hours, or if you suspect unauthorized activity, contact Cash App support directly. Remember, 95% of payment issues are resolved within 24 hours, so don't hesitate to reach out for help.